show you how to do the Let Me Know TikTok trend, which is very easy to learn. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now, let's get started. So, what we're gonna do is step back with our left leg, circle with our shoulders and go back. And our hand is over here, like this. And then we go back. And we do like this. It says something about knowing, so just like pretend we are thinking or whatever, you know. Just put your fingers here. So, like this, then this. Then we are gonna put our hands here as if we were saying what? And then pretend we have a phone here, so we're gonna do it like this. So our right elbow goes to the right, and we're doing like this. Pretend we are grabbing the phone and calling someone like that. So like this, and then you. So it says I'm calling you, so just calling you. It's actually very easy to remember which step goes after which, because the lyrics pretty much say all, so it's pretty easy. So let's start from the very beginning. Circle, know, what, phone, you. Okay, so after this, what we're gonna do is roll our hands like that. We can roll our hands toward us or to the other side, but we're gonna roll them this time toward us. So like this. And then we're gonna go like this. Pretend we have just painted our nails and we're gonna show them to someone, and we do like this, right? So it's roll and two. Once again, roll and two. Once again, roll and two. Okay, let's start from the very beginning. Circle, know, what, phone, you, roll and two. Let's do the same thing, but a little bit faster. Circle, know, what, phone, you, roll and two. Okay, so after this, what we're gonna do is this. So to do that, I'm just gonna break it down to you. We're gonna do this. Just pretend, well, our hand is in a fist, right? And we're doing this. I don't know what this is. But then we're gonna do a circle with our hand around our head. And then we're gonna go swing, swing. So to do the swings, when we are going to the right, when our hands are down over here, we're gonna bend our legs. And when they go up, we're also gonna straighten them. So it's like this. 1, 2. Try it once again. 1, 2. Once again. 1, 2. So let's do it from the very beginning slowly. Circle, know, what, phone, you, roll and two, head, circle, swing, swing. So we're gonna do it once again slowly, and then we will go on. So let's go. Circle, know, what, phone, you, roll and two, head, circle, swing, swing. So after the two swings, we're gonna go 1, 2. So first, our right hand goes towards our left shoulder, then right shoulder, left hand, right shoulder, left shoulder. So this has to be fast. It's gonna look like this. 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. It's just as if we were doing this, but our hands go to our shoulders, like that. So let's start from the very beginning. Circle, know, what, phone, you, roll and two, head, circle, swing, swing, 1, 2. Okay, so now after this, we're gonna look down. We're going to look down and then up. That's what they do in the dance. So that's what we're gonna do. Down, and then it says 2. So we're just gonna show a 2 with our hands. We can either show it with one hand or two hands. It's pretty much the same. So you can choose. And then we're gonna do wave down, wave up. Once again, wave down, wave up. So if you don't know how to do a wave, it's pretty easy to learn. We're gonna start with our head. We're going back, and then you're leaning backwards, and then you feel like you have to bend your legs. So that's what you're gonna do. You're going back, and then you're gonna bend your legs, and then we're gonna straighten our legs, and we go up again. So it's pretty much the opposite when we go up. So once again, 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. So let's start from the very beginning slowly. Circle, no, what, phone, you, roll, and 2, head, circle, swing, swing, shoulder, shoulder, down, up, 2, wave, down, wave, up. So after this, we're going to show an L with our right hand or with both hands, however we want. L, then we're going to point with our fingers towards the camera. Then we're going to do this. So we're going to cross our hands and uncross them. And then we're going to point towards the camera again. So this small part looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. So fast, it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's pretty easy, just 4 movements. So just practice them a little bit and that's it, just because that's the fastest part of the dance. Yeah, it's actually pretty easy. So let's start from the very beginning because we are actually done. So we're going to do it 2 times slowly, 1 faster, and we are done. So let's go. Circle, no, what, phone, you, roll, and 2, head, circle, swing, swing, shoulder, shoulder, down, up, 2, wave, down, wave, up, L, forward, cross, forward. That's it. Once again, slowly. Circle, no, what, phone, you, roll, and 2, head, circle, swing, swing, shoulder, shoulder, down, up, 2, roll, down, roll, up, L, forward, cross, forward. Now we're going to do the same thing but faster and we're done. So let's go. Circle, no, what, phone, you, roll, and 2, head, circle, swing, swing, shoulder, shoulder, down, up, 2, roll, down, roll, up, L, forward, cross, forward. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, comment what dances you want me to do next, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!